good evening. Today is 14th of July 2020, and I'm back here with another sector analysis. So, before I proceed, I'm Dr. Seema Jain, your host right now, and I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, partner to all major stockbroking firms like Zerodha Upstocks and Fires, Astha, etc. And I'm the founder and chief mentor at StockPro. So hope you all are present on my channel. This is my Telegram channel where I'm mostly live the entire day, and all what you see here are the stocks that I have given. Like I have given Alchem today. Alchem just moved up massively, and the Biocon I had given to my students. I had given Biocon to my students, Alchem. So I'll show you in the negative market. Also, the stock just blasted. Look at the blast in the stock that has come up, right? So we entered somewhere here, 2450, 2460, I think, because it was having somewhere here. Somewhere here we entered, and look at the blast, right? Beautifully, it just blasted. So I just want to remove some of the things so that it doesn't block my way. This. So here, right? So this is how it gave a blast. This was the stock that I had given, and on the free channel, right? So imagine you have, even if you buy about 10 stocks, right? The movement was about 30 points. You look at the huge movement. In case, I'm sure intraday you will be getting some kind of leverage in the market, in the money. Reaching it straight away gave 35 points by the end of day, right? This is the kind of move that was given. And then I had given another stock, Biocon, right? That's the stock that I had given to my students. Do you know the members who joined StockPro? They were given Biocon, and Biocon had just a unidirectional move. You can see from here, this is a place of our entry, and look at the move it has given. Moved about 13-14 points with a lot size of 2400, and that is what you have seen here, right? So anyway, my today's idea is to take you back here on this video which I posted on 15th of June, right? This video was posted on 15th of June. Today we stand after a month, right? So these are the stocks that I had given. Chambal Fertilizer, buy above 145. Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizer, buy above 47. SPIC, buy above 18. NFL, buy above 30. Deepak Fertilizer, buy above 115. So I want to get you back here. Look at the kind of returns they have given. So Chambal Fertilizer has, from 145, it made a move of 157, return of 8%. So I can show you here as well. Let me just take you here. This is Chambal Fertilizer. So my entry was somewhere here at this place, 145, and still it is in profit, right? The next stock that I had given was Rashtriya Chemical, RCF. So here is Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer. My entry was at 47. Look at the high that it has made, 51.7. Even still, it is in profit. The next stock that I had given was SPIC. Look at the kind of blast this stock has given. Southern Petrochemical, right? Our entry was here, this place, 17.8 or so. Our entry was at 18, right? And look at the blast that it has had, made a high of 25.45, which is a huge breakout. And the return that we have got here is about 40%. Then I have given NFL. Let me just show you NFL. So this is all hard work. This is not simply that anybody can give it to you. This is purely, data crunching. And then I had given NFL. I think so. I have not taken National Fertilizer. So National Fertilizer have given a buy at 30, made a high of 39.9. almost like, if you see here, it's a 22% return in 1 month, right? This is where I'm saying, from mutual funds or from any of these banks, you don't get more than 10-12% return in an year. This is the return my stocks have given in 1 month with confidence. Then we have Deepak Fertilizer. So that's the last stock that I gave. So I hope you will admire the kind of work that has been done. It's not easy. Nobody does this kind of a work, right? So Deepak Fertilizer, I had given a buy at 115. So it has been in up and down journey. So 115 to it has made a high of 122, right? Which is also 7 points, not bad, right? So this is really a hard work, guys. It's not simple. So before I proceed on, we conduct courses to upgrade your knowledge in the stock market. Be present here. We give our view on Nifty, Bank Nifty, using the market profile and the volume profile. Uh, Using those, we give the market view. So like here, we are about to begin our program called Market Profile Combo Course. You can just read about it. What is it? Like you can, okay, these are the stocks we gave in the live market. But everything about what we exactly do, you can come here, you can call my team, you can contact us and figure out, what exactly we do, right? So the contact numbers and everything is out here. You can take a screenshot or whatever and get in touch with our team, right? These are the phone numbers, WhatsApp number, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, everything. Now today I have come up with, so these are the stocks. You can see yourself, none of them have gone below the values that I have given, right? Even today, when the market has been falling down for 2 days, last 2 days से market गिर रही है, तभी भी ये stocks में किसी में भी stop loss hit नहीं हुआ है. So wherever the institutional investor is going to be active, your stop losses will not hit. They will protect your stop loss. तो आज जो मैं सेक्टर आप लोगों के लिए लाई हूँ वो है सेक्टर शुगर सेक्टर. और उसका भी एक रीजन है, राइट? इंडिया इज नाउ हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द फेस्टिव सीजन, राइट? First it will be the rainy season, and along with rainy season in northern India, the festivals will begin. And I'm sure even in the south, east, west, all over, like in Bengal, there will be Durga Puja. In Maharashtra, there will be Ganeshotsav. So har festival ab shuru hone wale, all Rakhi, then you have Ganeshotsav, then you have Durga Puja, then you have Dashera, and one after the other, there will be many festivals coming up. So I'm going to talk about today sugar sector. So I have selected few stocks for you. You can make a choice which one to buy, all to buy, whatever you want to do. You can make a call. So I have selected these stocks: Andhra Sugar, Eid Perry, Balrampur Chini, Dhampur Sugar, and KCP Sugar. So let me show you one after the other, each one of them. How do they look? Where are they standing right now? So first and foremost, we have Andhra Sugar. So you must have seen from here that today my sector is sugar sector. If I just arrange it, have a look at it. All the sugar sectors stocks are really green, except barring one or two, all of them are pretty green. So first stock which I have on my radar is Andhra Sugar. So let me just show you the Andhra Sugar. This is how Andhra Sugar looks, right? Right now, so far, it doesn't have any boundary. The free space is what you can see. Your target could be about 380 or so, right? This place where you see the past historical resistance, that's where you can expect your first target to be. Rather, I would say this place will be your first target, right? So about 323 will be your first target. 20 points is your first target. Hold it for a few days. If you feel confident that it will further go up, you can hold it for a target of 380. Your stop loss is going to be, right now I'm giving you an entry at this place, 300, right? So your stop loss should be about 260. 260 is your stop loss, right? So that's our first stock. You will buy it about 300. And the next one we have is Eid Perry. So here is Eid Perry. that also looks, it's broken the consolidation zone, right? It's broken the consolidation zone. It's been consolidating for the past few days, right? So above this place, you can take an entry above this place, and you have first target here about 10 points, which makes it 5%. But if it breaks the high of 295 or 296, then you can surely expect another 10% move in this particular stock, right? The next stock that I have on my radar is Balrampur Chini. Here is Balrampur Chini, and look at it. The stock is in the consolidation zone, right? Horizontal move. Price is not moving, right? So what I would suggest that our buying opportunities right after this place, which is 132, 133, and our first target could be about this place, right? Which is again roughly about 6-7%. This, and if this zone is broken, right? This past resistance is broken, आप यहाँ 150 160 तक की उम्मीद कर सकते हैं स्टॉक से. Your stop loss is going to be 121. ये जगह आपका stop loss होगा. यहाँ पे आप entry लोगे. Your first target is 141, then 150, then 161, then 170, 180, like that, right? Then we have another stock on radar, Dhampur and KCP. So let me show you Dhampur also. So Dhampur is here. This is Dhampur. So all the sugar stocks are actually consolidating at this point of time. So our entry is somewhere here only at about 135. Our first target is about this place, which is a move of about 5%. And our stop loss is going to be 122.3. So what I will do, I will write down for, what will it be? I'll just write it down for you so that there is no, you should be able to know exactly what's happening. So here is the stop loss. This is your SL, and I'm going to make it red. Oh no. Anyway, this is stop loss. This is your entry. This is your first target, and you can have it 150, 160, and so on and so forth, right? So I'm going to write it here. This is going to be your entry. Background is going to be green. Even this is going to be green. Border is going to be green. And text is going to be entry. Right? So that's done. And your first target is this 143, then 150, then 160, then 170, right? So I'm going to mark the targets, but please you note it down yourself. Take a copy pen and note down somewhere. So 150, 160, 170, like that, you will have your targets. Once this level, this high is broken, 145 is broken, you can expect all these targets. And the last one after Dhampur, I have KCP Sugar. So this is a penny stock right now, but the kind of move it has had, you know, I've been watching it for some days. It has had a beautiful breakout, right? So usually I don't like to trade in penny stocks, but when they give a technical breakout and along with the good other factors, then I don't mind entering into them. So this was a consolidation zone, right? This was a consolidation zone. If I mark it for you, this place to this place, the stock has been consolidating, right? For quite some time, it's been just traveling in this space, right? And today, it has broken that space. That space has been broken today with volumes, right? So I'm expecting a continuation of the movement only when it is crossed above 17.7, right? So that is why I have given a buy above 17.7. All right. Now here your stop loss is going to be 14, little deep stop loss at as of now, and your first target will be 19 rupees, right? Your first target will be 19 rupees. Once the 19 rupees is crossed, we can expect some more movement, right? We can expect some next good movement, a target of about 22 can be expected, right? So the previous supports and the previous resistances are your targets. So यहाँ से आपको अगर ये सस्टेन करता है, राइट, अगर ये इस जगह के ऊपर जाता है, ये स्टॉक 17.7 के ऊपर और 19.25 के टारगेट को क्रॉस करता है, तो नेक्स्ट टारगेट होगा 22, which will be a very very good return. So this was my today's video, which is actually talking about some stocks in the sugar sector, right? So this is my sectorial analysis. I'm going to make another video on the Nifty's PE analysis, but not I have some different view regarding the PE analysis, and I will be sharing that through my video, because it's just not the PE which is important at this point of time. There are other few factors that I will be discussing. So wait for my videos on Nifty and its analysis, maybe today or maybe tomorrow. I don't know when, but I'll definitely be making it for you. So take care, guys, and keep learning about the stock market. So if you will learn, you will at least ensure one thing, that you will not lose in the market. You will know where to put your money, when to book your profit, when to enter, when to exit, and where not to enter. I'm 100% sure if you will learn, you will not enter into stocks like Omax or these, like I have given Omax, I wasn't sure about, I have given it to my students to buy Omax. And but when I saw its movement, when this movement, it's a very a doctored movement, isn't it? Like, look at it. Have you ever seen a stock moving like this? Every day 2%, every day 2%. So when it reached about 16-17% profit, 6-7% profit, we entered somewhere here at this place right at the bottom, 200 rupees. And from 200, when it reached to 15 to 16, I said, please guys, do not hold it, because I don't trust this kind of a move. And whenever it dropped, look at the drop. After that, it has reached 72. There is no way you can exit it. It's just been a continuous drop. So beware of these kind of stocks. So I don't like to enter such stocks. This was one odd stock because I saw a lot of buying coming in this stock, so I gave it. So anyway, I am hoping to see you somewhere, and really I'm hoping that you all plan to learn about the market and then only take an entry in whatever stocks that you're wanting to. So hoping for all your best future in the stock market. Please learn and earn and make good money. These are the 5 stocks you must keep on radar. And if you have not still joined my Telegram channel, please be present here. And this is the website, which is stockpro.online.com. You can just contact my team through this phone number, or you can do any of these ways to reach out to us. And take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep earning.